Emily, I have a question. I've seen cylindrical chambers in the market, but Devasi offers rectangular ones. Could you explain the differences between these two types of designs?
Absolutely, James. Cylindrical chambers have several significant disadvantages. Many are sourced from China or India and often fail to meet international standards. A major issue is their lids, which are not securely attached, posing a risk of falling off, breaking, and causing injury.
I see. That does sound risky.
Indeed. Furthermore, many cylindrical chambers lack a drainage system, complicating the water emptying and cleaning process after immersion tests. Our rectangular chambers, however, are equipped with a drainage system that simplifies maintenance significantly.
That makes a lot of sense.
Moreover, most products and containers are square or rectangular, which doesn't fit well in cylindrical chambers. This makes it challenging to place multiple products simultaneously, especially larger items. Rectangular chambers, on the other hand, allow for better organization of samples and maximize the number of products you can test at once. Another downside to cylindrical chambers is their size. They are typically smaller, limiting options for testing larger products. Our rectangular chambers can be custom-made in much larger sizes to accommodate your specific needs.
That's very useful to know. Although cylindrical chambers might be cheaper, do they have any advantages?
One advantage of cylindrical chambers is that they use thinner acrylic. The cylindrical design better distributes pressure across the chamber walls, making them lighter.
Is there any difference in how the results are interpreted?
Technically, if the vacuum level is consistent, there shouldn't be any significant differences in results. However, we've noticed that our competitors from China often lack a vacuum pump option, offering only a Venturi-type vacuum generator, which has limited capabilities. While they might be less expensive, we believe our rectangular chambers are a better investment in the long run due to their durability and ease of use. That said, we also offer cylindrical chambers with enhanced features like hinges, pistons, and a drainage system in our SciVac model. It's not listed in our catalog or on our website, but we can provide it for clients who prefer this design.
This clarifies the differences between these two designs for me.
I'm glad I could help, James. If you need further information, please don't hesitate to reach out. Don't miss our exclusive video series on leak testing. By registering, you'll receive immediate access and a PDF guide that summarizes everything you need to know about our CDV vacuum chambers.